It's 5:30 in the morning, and I'm driving in, well, that. I don't know if you can see that. That is all that's snow on my hood and snow on the street. I'm driving to the airport. So, let's hope I get there alive. Shall we? So Grace has had a morning. As you can see, it's a little bit lighter outside and a little bit less snowy. And if you look at the time, it says 7:13. You might be saying to yourself, Grace, why aren't you on an airplane? And you know what the funny thing is I'm saying that to myself. Basically, here's the wrap up. I got to the airport a little late. Let's just say there's a large snowstorm in the middle of April in Colorado, as you saw earlier. And so I'm late. I was late. 6:12, I believe, is the official time that I got here. My flight left at 6:50. I get to the gate at 6:48, 2 minutes before my flight's supposed to take off, and they're like, oh, we already shut the gate. So, plan of attack number 2 would be to drive to Denver, and I'm going to catch the 1:35 flight. Yuck, that's okay. I'm about to leave. The monorail. So now that I finally made it to Las Vegas, I'm really wishing I could check into my hotel room because I feel nasty. I slept on the airplane and that was cool. But I've been up since 3 and I'm tired. Over now.